we want to shade the region defined by the inequality x plus y is greater than 3. We need to draw the line x plus y is equal to 3. We know that we need to draw it as a dashed line. For this type of line, we might need a table of values. Choose some convenient values for our table. If x is 0, 0 plus y is 3, means that y must be 3. If x is 1, 1 plus y is 3, tells us that y is 2. If x is 2, 2 plus y equals 3, tells us that y is 1. So we have 0, 3, 1, 2, and 2, 1. So we need to draw a straight line through these 3 points. Don't forget to label the line. Its x plus y is equal to 3. We want where x plus y is greater than 3. One way of doing this is take a test point. I'm going to use the origin, which remember is the point 0, 0, which means of course that x is 0 and y is 0. Let's test this with the inequality. X plus y is greater than 3. If x is 0 and y is 0, x plus y is 0, so the inequality reads 0 is greater than 3. Is this true? No, it's not. 0 is not greater than 3, and therefore this point is not in the required region. The region required is going to be the other side of the line. Since we want to shade the required region, we shade everything on the other side of the line to 0, 0.